Hey there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make an account in NVIDIA GeForce. Now, quick one guys, go ahead and open up your Chrome browser on your PC, search for NVIDIA GeForce. Now go ahead and open up NVIDIA GeForce. You can see over here it says join. But before you see the join, you see guys that it will prompt you to accept their terms and conditions. Now you can choose to watch them or to read them because you need to accept their privacy cookies and also the policies. So go ahead and click on accept, then choose join today. Now, once you choose join today, guys, it will then prompt you to either join with your Gmail account or it will automatically sign you in with your Gmail account. Okay. And then you see over here, guys, that you need to put in your Gmail account. Once you put it in, you click on notify and then you'll be automatically signed in. So basically, that's it, guys. Subscribe to our channel.